I added sugar in the mint and my girlfriend was surprised by the result. In a container, add 20 grams of mint, 100 grams of sugar, and now just pass it all onto a blender. Add 1 egg, 100 grams of butter, then cover and let it beat very well. After heating, just remove and pass everything to a container. Then add 220 grams of wet flour and stir until it turns into a dough. That's the sweet spot. Now add 40 grams of chocolate chips and stir again. Start modeling. Here I'm using a spoon as a measure. Wet your hands with water and start modeling. Making balls. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Pass everything to one shape. And on top add more chocolate drops. The amount is to your liking. Take to the form at 392 degrees and leave for 15 minutes. After that time, it's ready. And look how amazing it is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy and a delicious recipe. A mint cookie that you will make for your whole family. And please, everyone, I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.